High euthanasia rates in our shelter is simply due to unwantedness, is overpopulation. That leads to high euthanasia rates. Spay animals young. You can spay them anytime about over 8 weeks.
I liked the size of the caseload, being able to do multiple surgeries every day. I've gained so much out of it, and I think it really sets Oklahoma State graduates apart from other graduates of vet schools.
We also perform ancillary services, vaccinations, microchipping. We perform other small surgeries.
I think this rotation has been fantastic. I expected to come down here and do mostly spays and neuters, and that is what we have done for the most part, but I have also had the opportunity to perform a forelimb amputation as well as a laceration repair, and those are hands-on experiences that I would not have gotten otherwise without this rotation.
I'd just like to thank all our sponsors that help our program run. It's a win for our students, it's a win for our shelter animals, and it's a win for our shelter clients.